This video is about prevention versus cure, specifically when it comes to finances. When I was younger, I was in great financial shape. I had a great job, I had no debt, I had money in the bank, I had a truck that was paid off. But the problem was that I didn't know I was sitting in a good position. I didn't know how good I had it. And so, because of my ignorance and my naivety, I thought that it would be a good thing to get a credit card, and so I did. And then, along with a couple of other bad decisions, I eventually got into debt. And since I didn't know that debt was a bad thing, my debt got worse and worse and worse. And because I didn't have a clue about finances, it got worse and worse and worse. So, the point is that if I had prevented all that from happening by recognizing that I was already in a good financial spot and staying there, taking steps to stay there, instead of having to learn the hard way by getting into debt and then having to dig myself out. Prevention is infinitely easier than cure in every area of life.